Nagpunta nga kami dito sa The Harbor Seafood sa may Quezon City, kung saan nga may seafood platter na masarap at affordable. We had the mixed seafood and shrimp platter. The servings are generous. The food looks amazing and fresh.
Kain guys. Hindi na rin ako mag-aan. Yeah. Meron kayong parang hugasan ng kami. Hindi kasi kami mag-gloves eh.
At ayun na nga, at hindi nakapagpigil. Hindi na nakapag-antay sa hugasan at unang tikim ng scallops. Malinamnam yung scallops, fresh and hindi feeling frozen.
Sana.
The Cajun sauce blends well with the seafood, especially with the crabs, shrimp, and mussels. Nakakaayang higupin ang sauce sa katas ng crabs at hipon with umami feeling. Hindi namin namamalaya na nakakatatlong kanin na kami each.
Hindi yung budget. Yun nakalasa. Yan yung unang ginawa mo. Ganun. Yun ako yung mais.
We had a great time here and definitely be back. Cravings satisfied.